fasting beast. So your life is too easy. You wake up late and you choose you should pleasure over purpose. Instead of choose purpose over pleasure. You got vices that you want to get rid of, and you say, I'm gonna start tomorrow my diet. I'm gonna start smoking. I'm gonna start doing drugs. I'm gonna start drinking, and then you never stop. You need to listen to your conscience. Your conscience is the authentic voice of God. So, and I say that because that used to be me. That used to be me in the past. That I said, I'm gonna start tomorrow. I'm gonna start this week, and then I never start. I just keep lying to myself. Until one day I say, enough is enough. I start listening to my conscience. My conscience told me, you need to start drinking, and you need to be more consistent at the gym. And a lot of people go to the gym and they look the same because they go to the gym and they half-ass working out, half-ass eating good. So instead of put everything, you need to put everything, mind and muscle working together, and you need to make sure you eat the right protein, the right nutrients, and then so you can see results. You want to see results by going to the gym every day and not putting the work, and then start eating McDonald's, start eating junk food. So you need to put everything on the table. You need to put the reps. You need to make sure you eat the right food. Start choosing pleasure over purpose. It's purpose over pleasure. My pleasure is my purpose. I am the fasting beast.